I tried that in the car, but that was when she was going meow.
That's good.
Bubble.
Yes, bubble.
Bubble.
Yes. Say bubble guppies.
Oh.
Say guppies.
Bubble.
Bubble guppies. Say it.
Bubble.
Yes. Show Haley bubble guppies.
Well, she knows who Haley is.
Ditch.
Yes.
Don't call her a ditch.
Where's the fish?
Are you guys gonna have a dance party? No?
No, no dance party. We're gonna have a pizza party because we got 4 pizzas.
Oh, pizza.
I'm surprised they haven't turned bubble gum.
Yes. Is that say chair?
Do nice to Haley.
You're nice.
Haley's like, what's going on?
You guys give a hug? Can you guys hug? Oh, nice.
I think she's at eyes.
Oh, does Haley have eyes?
Another person in my chair. Watch the crazy hair.
Too nice.
Where am I supposed to sit? Give Haley the blanket.
Yeah, right. She already took my chair.
Oh, thank you.